Why do I paint? I think I know that I paint for myself first. And I really enjoy the process of challenging myself to do something that I haven't done before. I want to first create a set of problems, and then I want to find the most elegant, beautiful solutions to me. The question of time and how long it takes is probably the most popular question, because sometimes I know exactly how long it would take, and it does that. But sometimes a very small, very seemingly simple painting can be very stubborn. Every painting, I want to learn something, and I'm painting it for the next painting. So my biggest goal is to just get better every time, even if it's just a little bit. My day starts with always washing brushes, and I think about what I did yesterday and kind of what's ahead in the day. Facing an empty canvas is always a bit of a challenge, but the process starts once I know that what I want to paint is just from simple sketch. And I sketch with the brush, and I like to stay free and unbound to the outlines. So my beginnings are more organic, then you just kind of color it in, and more of feeling between the lines. But staying free puts you into the more of a sculpting mind rather than a drawing illustrative mind. So it's giving myself a lot of freedom first, being very not paying too much attention to the accuracy and details and the specificity, but rather trying to capture just a bigger picture, a bigger feel of it. Painting is very intuitive, so each brushstroke you put in, it changes things. So you just have to go and be with that change and keep changing it. My favorite analogy to painting, like a sweater. You pull one thread and all of a sudden the whole sleeve is gone. So, and that's okay. As painters, we are destroyers. We have to destroy it, level it down, and build it up again. And that's, I think, an addiction almost, because that feeling of grinding, of, oh God, what did I do? Now it looks terrible. But then somewhere you know that you can do it again, and you know you can make it even better. And that's the addictive part about it, is that you just have to persevere and be courageous to take things out and start again. And I think to show up every day in the studio and do 5-8 hours of painting is really the only condition, the only way to get better. It's not reading books, but it is spending time with your brush and your paints.